Okay, we're gonna start. All right. Hello, everyone. Welcome to DIY4Youth's International Hackathon Introduction Workshop. I'm so excited to be here. I'm Legend, and I'm gonna be your host today.
大家好，欢迎来到 DIY4Youth 黑客松宣讲会，我叫夏子策。
Hi everyone, bienvenue au séminaire d'introduction au Hackathon international DIY4Youth. Merci beaucoup d'être ici. Nous sommes honorés de votre participation. Je m'appelle Sophie.
All right. So before we start, I'm gonna ask a question. Does anyone know what happened on April 8th, 2024? Does anyone have a guess, an answer?
You'll get a prize from Lavender if you get it correct.
Oh, Ying, you have an answer. What happened on April 8th?
The solar eclipse.
Yeah, great job.
good
Yeah, you're
job.
right. Amazing. So the solar eclipse happened on April 8th.
Something
Congrats.
else really important happened on that day, potentially even more monumental. Our organization, DIY4Youth, was born on April 8th, 2024. Hi everyone, I'm really happy to be here and a part of DIY4Youth. My name is Sophie and I'm the president and co-founder of DIY4Youth. I'm also a 10th grade student at the University of Toronto Schools. In my free time, I'm pretty heavily involved in competitive debate, as well as math competitions. I dabbled a little bit in competitive coding, and I'm still continuously learning Java and Python. I also love to sing, and after 5 years of practicing and performing, I cannot imagine my life without music in it. As is the case for many of you, I expect, my first introduction to AI was through my parents and through the media, as well as just using ChatGPT. To me, it was something that was obscure, difficult, and honestly a little bit scary. I never imagined that I would be interacting so closely with it and that I would now be building an organization to offer AI services to others. I soon learned, though, through building a chatbot and working on my own project, that harnessing generative AI to launch my ideas doesn't have to be difficult, and it should be accessible to all students. This has been, frankly, a magical and really eye-opening experience for me, and through DIY4Youth, I hope to offer that experience to all of you as well. Okay, so a few notes on what our mission actually is here at DIY4Youth. The ability to manipulate AI is really a skill of the future, and I would argue that it is the most important skill of the future. Many of you use it already with ChatGPT, but you can expect to find it integrated into many of the services that you will end up using in your daily life in the future. A lot of you are also here because you have big dreams and great ideas. That is exactly what we need. Right now, AI has opened up endless possibilities for what you can create as a student entrepreneur. The problem is access to APIs and API services is often quite expensive. Launching a business can be really expensive and difficult. It shouldn't be. Technology should be something that bridges gaps between people and reduces inequality in the world. So our mission here is to make AI as accessible to young people as possible. That includes you as students, so that everyone has equal access to the skills of the future. So if you want to change the world, if you want to help your community, if you want to produce a product, solve a real world problem, you are in the right place. We will help you to launch those dreams and ideas, and we will give you the tools to do so for free. Okay, a few notes on what our services actually are. There's 3 primary ones that we offer. The first is our training, and this is probably the most applicable to all of you as students. We want DIY4Youth to be open to students of all levels of experience. So through us, you can learn to code in a multitude of languages, including Python. You'll learn how to use and manipulate AI to customize it to fit your needs and the needs of your business. And we'll also give you support in entrepreneurship when you build your business. So if you've ever had questions like, how do I start a business? How do I make a business plan? How do I market my product or create financial projections? We will help you across every step of your journey. The second thing is that we will offer you our AI services and act as an accelerator. So our core service is we're giving you the chance to apply to free access to OpenAI's generative AI APIs, and you can use them for free for your business or for your solution. And we'll also act as a business incubator. So we'll be the established platform from which you can launch your tech venture, and you can do so without worries. The third and final thing is we will offer you a really great community and a really great network of support. Your greatest resources are always going to be the people around you, right? So we provide a network to connect you to like-minded students where you can land your next business partner, find a team, hear about volunteer opportunities, or just make friends who are as motivated and as enthusiastic as you are. All right, so now I want to introduce my team to you. None of this would have been possible without their hard work. First, I want to invite Manu up to introduce himself.
Thank you, Sophie. Hello, everyone. Today, AI is the most popular topic. How do you feel about AI? Scary? Exciting? Personally, I feel excited. My name is Manu, and I'm a 13-year-old swimmer originally from China. Currently, I'm living in Canada, but I also had the incredible opportunity to live in Germany when I was 5 to 6. Each country has given me unique experiences and memories that I value deeply. Swimming is my passion. I've been swimming competitively for several years now, and I love the discipline and the excitement that come with every race. The thrill of improving my times and mastering new techniques keep me motivated every single day. Aside from sports, I'm interested in coding. I started learning how to code because I was curious about how apps and games are created, and now I spend part of my free time learning C. It's like solving a puzzle, and I enjoy the challenge it presents. I'm trying to use my knowledge to contribute DIY4Youth. I'm excited to meet you all, share our experiences, and learn from each other, whether it's talking about the best swimming techniques or discussing the coolest coding projects. I'm looking forward to the conversations we'll have. Thank you for having me here. Welcome our Vice President, Legend Wang.
All right. Hello again, everyone. I'm so excited to be here. My name's Legend, and I'm joining you guys with this fascinating introduction workshop with all of you guys. I wish to bring a blend of creativity and dedication to this workshop. I believe in the power of collaboration and continuous learning, and I'm excited to contribute my skills to this organization, DIY4Youth's amazing events. Outside of this organization, you often find me doing what I like to do. For example, in the world of technology, coding and stuff, I'm currently learning how to code in C++ and HTML. On the other hand, also getting active, such as skiing winter and doing multiple other sports in summer and other seasons. They fuels my curiosity and keeps me inspired. I'm really looking forward to get to know each one of you and work together to achieve our goals. Thank you for the warm welcome, and I can't wait to embark the journey with all of you guys. Thank you. Unfortunately, Frederick Zhang, our Chief Technology Officer, is away due to a national curling competition. If you really want to meet him, consider joining one of our other events in the future. All right, now we move on to one of the most important parts of this workshop, the actual hackathon event. First of all, who can join the hackathon? Our hackathon events for everyone. If you're a curious beginner to experienced hacker. If you're new to hackathon, at least in grade 5, the Novice program is perfect for you. On the other hand, if you're experienced in coding like languages like Python and knew a little bit of generative AI and prompt engineering, you belong in the hacker division. It's all right if you don't know what prompt engineering is. Novice division has all you need to know about this event. As Helen Hayes said, the expert in anything was once a beginner. It's all right to be a beginner. Everyone came from there, and that's why you should join our event. DIY4Youth is here to help you progress and learn. Now I'm gonna invite Sophie to talk about why should you join our event.
Okay, so there's a three-pronged approach that we use at DIY4Youth that I think makes our organization really unique and makes it quite worthwhile for you to join. The first is that you will get to learn how to use AI. We have research training methods, and through this, you can build your essential AI toolkit. So we'll teach you all of the basic skills for AI manipulation from end to end. The first is prompt engineering. So how do I make commands to the AI? How do I get it to do what I want? Second is retrieval augmented generation. And the third is multimedia input. So you can put things like videos and images into your AI chatbot. Through a series of workshops and lectures, you will learn to build the basic skills of AI manipulation. The second is we will allow you to build, right? With those skills, you can now create a solution to solve real world problems. This can look like a business, a product, or a nonprofit. And finally, using those skills and using your solution, you can change your community for the better. So here at DIY4Youth, we invite you to learn, to build, and to change your community together. Okay, so what exactly are you going to do on Hackathon Day at the Hackathon? This will all occur under a theme called the GPT Quest, Crafting AI Conversations. And the first thing that you'll do is you'll generate ideas to solve a problem in your community or a problem in the world with the industry standard, the design thinking process. And with this problem, you'll apply what we've learned through prompt engineering and more to build your own AI-powered solution. And you'll present a series of deliverables. So you present your idea to the judges, a prototype of your product, a pitch to the judges, as well as a business plan if you're in the hacker division. And we'll always be there to support you every step. Okay, now I want to invite Legend back to tell you about the timing and the scheduling.
Okay, thank you, Sophie. So first of all, so now we're here in the introduction workshop. After that, in May, there will be a warm-up workshop to actually learn about stuff, warm-up, followed by the hackathon in mid-May, and finally, the actual hackathon, which ranges from May the 18th to the 20th. Then I'm gonna invite Manu to talk about building custom GPTs in the warm-up workshop.
Thank you, Legend. So, hello everyone, this is Manu. Again, welcome you all to an exciting upcoming event where you're all gonna have a chance to dive in the world of artificial intelligence. I'll be one of your guides on this adventure. This event is especially designed for kids like us who are curious about technology and would like to learn how we can train our own AI systems. Whether you're completely new to this or you already had made some tech projects, you're going to find something interesting here. On May 11th at Zoom, we'll start with the basic of AI and machine learning. You'll learn about what is AI, how it works, and see a cool example of AI in action. We'll explore how these systems are shaping our world together. Then we'll get hands-on. You'll learn how to create simple AI models that can do tasks like recognizing objects, understanding instructions, or even making evaluations. Don't worry if you don't have much experience before, we'll guide you through every step. And there will be plenty of helpers around if you get stuck. Our goal is for you to leave this event not just with knowledge, but with passion to build an actual AI project yourself. You'll see just how much you can achieve with the right tools and a bit of creativity. Please remember to join with a laptop, the accessibility of GPT, a GPT-4 account if you have one, as it will be essential for hands-on activities. So mark on your calendar for our warm-up session on May 11th. It's gonna be a fun and enlightening experience, and I can't wait to see what amazing projects you all create. Let's get ready to make the future. Thank you, and see you soon. Now, Sophie will introduce the Learnathon.
Okay, hi again. Thanks, Manu. So the Learnathon on May 17th to 18th is something that I highly recommend to everyone here. For the novices, it can be your first taste at just using Python code. For the hackers, you can learn a lot about using AI and manipulating it in ways that you haven't before. It is open to people of all levels of experience, and it'll give you a great foundation to compete well in the hackathon. So what you'll do is you will learn how to craft your own chatbot and code it in Python. And through this, you'll build both your coding and your AI skills. You'll get your first taste of what using API services is like, and you'll learn what tokens are. You'll also learn how to apply and use prompt engineering to communicate with your chatbot and give it commands. You'll also learn how to present your code in a clean, easy to use user interface called Gradio. And this is really the foundation for a lot of really great ideas like an AI doctor that can communicate with patients and diagnose diseases based on symptoms, an AI tutor that can educate students, an essay writer or a homework grader. For all of your text-based, chat-based, really great ideas, this will form your foundation. So I want to invite Legend up again just to tell you about some Hackathon Day details.
Okay, thanks, Sophie. So here we are, the Hackathon Day schedule. So there will be two modes. One is the online mode and one's in-person mode. And the location for the in-person hackathon hasn't been posted yet and will be posted shortly after. All right. So this is the in-person day schedule. So in the morning, there will be a keynote speaker presentation during around 9:30, and the actual competition ranges from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m., which has the following steps: brainstorming, working, prototyping, and at last, you're gonna present with your team what you did to the judges. And the judging time is between 4 p.m. to 4:30. And last but not least, it's the closing ceremony at the end of the day. Now we're gonna talk about the closing ceremony in the hackathon. There will be a wide range of judges. For example, college professors, undergraduates, PhDs, experts, etc. Okay, I know this is the part you've all been waiting for, the actual awards. For first place in AI for Novice, you will receive $50. If you want the most popular prize, you will receive $100. If you're the winner of the hacker division, a whole $500 will be yours. I know this is a lot, so join our event. You'll really like it.
Yeah.
Now I invite Sophie to talk about the closing speech of our introduction workshop.
Thanks, Legend. Okay, so let's just go over some next steps. Sign up for our Discord group as well as our hackathon forms will both be on the next slide, as well as sent in the Zoom chat and the WeChat group. But in the end, I really just want to thank each and every one of you for being here. As a new organization, your support as members and volunteers or just showing up here is what keeps us going. It's what keeps us motivated to keep working harder, and it's really our lifeblood. So we are so, so grateful to have you here, and we cannot wait to see you at our future events. Now, if you have any questions, we will answer them. Feel free to drop them in chat or raise your hand.
So if you want to sign up for the hackathon, please scan the QR code on the left. And if you want to join our Discord server, scan the QR left on the right.
Okay.
I have a question just sent in chat as to whether you need a GPT-4 account, like a paid one, to participate. For the Learnathon, you won't need a GPT-4 account, and for all of the paid APIs, we will cover that for you so you can participate free of charge. For the for Manu's GPT workshop, so like customizing your own GPTs,
Oh, we will
you
need
want
to.
to talk? Yeah.
Yes.
Discord link is expired. Oh, we can send a new one in chat right now.
Yes.
Legend, do you want to take that?
Sorry about the expired link. Yeah, did you guys see it?
Yes.
Does anyone have any more questions or comments? Okay, if you don't have any questions, feel free to exit the Zoom meeting. If you have a question, feel free to